What is up, you guys? It's another Sunday and it's a gala day. We're going out kasi we have this party to attend tonight, and they requested for something that we could bring, like finger foods. So I decided, instead of bringing the everyday and the usual spring roll or lumpiang Shanghai, we're going to make Vietnamese spring roll today. So we're going to buy the ingredients, and we have some errands to run also kasi we had our Verizon internet and TV connection cut yesterday because we off to do the Xfinity, which is much faster than the Verizon, and the download bytes is 300 Mbps, so we opt out to that. And yeah, but they installed it already yesterday, but it's so tacky because look at that. Oh, the wires are still exposed and they are going to bury it for like 3 to 5 days. Ask me, I work here.
Do you work here?
Because I got my camera. When I get my camera, I need to bring it successfully.
Open so we can drive.
That's what we need to clean. That's why we bought the power washer. But we need the plumber to fix the water spigot. Oh, spigot daw. Spigot. Gripo lang naman yon. So we are here na sa Verizon. We are going to return the DVR. That's what you use kapag nagre-record ka ng channel, so you could get back to it. Verizon is there at the back. Tapos na kami sa Verizon and papunta kami ngayon sa Target. Bibili ng kalabasa para sa aso, and what else do we need aside from squash? Cuchillo. We need milk for my coffee.
And a few other items for coffee.
And knife, because we don't have the normal knife at home. Ang kutsilyo namin sa bahay is yung parang lagare, and I cannot do mince with that. And also Costco to buy some things, and I got my haircut on Haircuttery last time with a Chinese girl, and I love it. It's only $37 with blower, with shampoo, and with conditioner. Unlike last time, I had like $29 from the Chinese guy, and para lang siyang naggupit ng damo without blow dry and without cleaning my hair. Like I have all those haircuts, like the strands of hair all over me. Kaya yun, We will go all the time na there sa Virginia for my haircut. And the 37 includes the 20% tip already. Ang mura. Diba? We're here again sa pinakamalayong parking. Derek's always want to park away from the people. Kahit malayo yung lalakarin. Kasi pag malayo ang parking, it's safer kasi hindi magagasgas ang sasakyan, because people would always want to park near na hindi sila maglalakad. Kami gusto namin naglalakad para hindi magasgas ang sasakyan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
This one is okay.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts.
So ito ang binili namin sa Target. Chivita na probiotic, peanut butter, pepperoni, fresh na raw, and then blue, and cuchillo. Tapos na kami sa Target. Punta naman tayo.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Is it in the box?
It's there.
Okay.
Can you get this? I'll bring back the card. Ayan, we are back in the car. And we're driving back home. Rest for a while and then do the Vietnamese spring roll for the party tonight. And yeah, that's all for today.
Go to Giant. Let's drop this. Get this food out of here.
And after Costco, we went to Wegmans to buy the sweet chili sauce and the dog's squash, butternut squash for the dogs. Nilalahok namin siya sa chicken liver. Ayan, and the sweet chili sauce para sa peanut sauce ng Vietnamese spring roll. So this is the ingredients for my Vietnamese spring roll. Hindi ko na pinakita yung paggagayat pero everything is julienne cut. And this is the carrots, the cucumber, red bell pepper, white onion, bean sprouts, canned bean sprouts. Kaya medyo ganyan ang itsura niya. Wala kaming makitang fresh na bean sprouts. Siya ay brine in water. And this is the romaine lettuce and my chicken strip na niluto ko like adobo pero medyo matamis. And this is the rice spring roll wrapper. Ilulubog mo lang sa tubig itong rice wrapper and then balutin mo na lahat ng ingredients and this is the final product, our sweet chili peanut sauce. And nilagyan ko lang ng parchment paper para hindi magdikit-dikit.